Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the Any Oasis music player. So this is really an MP3 music player. It's great for kids because you can limit their access. There is no internet access on this, but it holds up to 25 hours of music and up to 5 hours of video. It also holds some other apps like a calculator app and a photos app. So I'm gonna show you how this works. My nephew is gonna demo for you. So one cool feature about this product that my nephew really enjoys is that it holds a lot of family photos. He just went on a vacation with his family and he can keep those memories here. And it's safe for him too because there is no access to the internet. No one can contact him. This is just a way for him to enjoy music and photos. And I love that it's a kid-safe device. Some other features I really like about this, it syncs with Apple, Pandora, and Audible music. So you have a lot of options for that. Lots of file formats for music are supported as well. There's about 10 different file formats that are supported. And you also get some other cool apps on here. Like my nephew has a radio, a clock, a recorder, there's an ebook, a calculator. Yeah, there he is. He's excited about this review. So he's gonna show you some of this stuff. He's gonna show you it in action. So this device will play out loud without headphones. You can hear a Bluey clip is playing, but of course, for silence, you can also plug in a standard headphone jack and then all the audio is gonna be routed to the headphones. So that's a great feature for parents. So in summary, this is a really fun kid-safe device that has lots of storage space, it has a good charge, and it's a way for kids or adults to have access to their content without accessing the internet. So it's a product that I recommend.